zkiels. Ayan. So, olive lip scrub. Ito yung ano niya. Ayan. And then, this one is the lip balm. Lip balm. Ayan. Wherein white lang siya. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, it's me again, Thur zkiel. So, today's vlog is about lip care naman tayo. So, alam naman natin na ang lips is another asset ng mga kababaihan. So, how to have smoother, pinkier, and softer lips. Ayan. So, yung lips na kahit wala tayong ilagay, kahit moisturize lang is maganda siya tingnan. So, with this product, I'm gonna show you how to use it. And ano din yung reviews ko after a month with this product. So, what are the causes of dark lips? Too much sun exposure, lack of hydration, cigarette smoking, allergic reaction to toothpaste, lipstick, or any products, too much caffeine, and it can also be genetics as well. So let's start with a scrub. Scrub it on your lips for about 30 seconds. And then after scrubbing, you have to rinse it with warm water. Make sure to remove everything on your lips. And then the last step is you have to put the lip balm to keep it well moisturized. So after using this product for 1 month, ayan, maganda siya. So maganda talaga ni-scrub natin yung lips natin once a week. Ayan. Since, syempre, naglalagay tayo ng lipstick, naglalagay tayo ng lip balm. And, sabi ko nga, pag tumatanda na tayo, nawawala yung collagen. So, yung pagka-pink ng lips natin is nawawala din. Lalo na, lagi tayo nag-lipstick, so nawawala yung natural na ano ng lips natin. So, eto nga, tingin ko, eto, nakakatulong siya. Ayun lang guys. So, I hope you guys like my video and sana beneficial ulit siya sa inyo. And see you again on my next vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more beauty updates and more videos from me. And always remember to stay kind, confident, and beautiful inside and out. Love you!